In this episode of Fast and Fun Illustrator Feats, we are going to make a cool letter form. My letters, initials, TDS. Down here are some text boxes, just 3 individual boxes for each letter. And I turned each of those letters into these fancy, funky letters. Let's see how. So first off, in order to use text as shapes, you have to convert them to what they call outlines. Down here by my head, you're going to see a quick action when you're clicked on a letter for Create Outlines, or you can right-click, Create Outlines. I'm going to do that to each of my letters. Then, once I've done that, these letters are going to be considered shapes, just like any other shape. So at this point, I can treat them like shapes, which means I can grab the white Subselection Direct Selection tool, click on my letter once, click on a point once, and let go. And then click and drag that point to make it look cool. And you can do whatever you want with those. Now, the fun part. We're going to take a star and add it to the T. What do I need to do? Draw a star. Go to your rectangle tool, click and hold, go to star, double click. I'm telling it 20 points and hitting OK. Once I have a 20-point star, I'm going to size it down using the selection tool, V, and then position it wherever I want it to go. In this case, I think that's fine. Select both shapes, the T and the star, go to your Pathfinder or go to Window, Pathfinder to bring it up, and unite those shapes into one. Easy peasy. The next step I did in my T up here, I used the knife tool to make it funky. So while still selected on that T, go grab your knife tool, which hides under the eraser tool. Start on the outside of the letter and end on the outside of the letter and just draw some slices. Sound effects help. Next, take your black arrow tool, your selection tool, click off and then click on your individual pieces and color them to your delight. How easy was that? And that's how you basically start with a letter, turn it into a shape, and use your Pathfinder to combine. And your knife to do a little cutting in there.